Nisambula Vinaka. Honorable Minister Ioane Naivalurua, Minister for Policing and Communications. Mr. Michael Moody, British Deputy High Commissioner to Fiji. Representatives of government departments, police, navy, revenue and customs, Maritime Safety Authority, youth and sports, Nadave Technical College, village elders, the village headmen, graduates, friends, Inakavakalevu na Veitaqomaki. I apologize for my pronunciation. It's been 2 days on the road where I think if we do this for a week or two, we'll get better in the pronunciation. So thank you for bearing with my terrible pronunciation. I just want to, before I go into my long speech, which was not taken well yesterday actually, because we did this in another village, an island yesterday. It was too long, so I'm going to try and keep it short, but I want to maybe focus on something that's already been said. Good education, good values, and a big smile. I think this is a good combination for success. And beautiful community and beautiful Fiji. We are extremely happy to be serving in such a country. It's been 2 years for me, and every day is a learning journey. So every time I come to a community like this, we try to learn, we try to understand, and make sure that whatever we provide is addressing your needs as a community. You as a community understand better than anyone that people who live with the sea know their waters. You know that boats move between communities, and we've been on the boat just for 2 days, and we understand how sometimes it's a great challenge. You know the routes, you know your coastline, you know if there is something different about the weather, about the surroundings, you're the first ones to notice. I come from a double landlocked country. There is no ocean. So every day is learning for me. Fiji has vast ocean space. It provides, it gives livelihoods. Today we celebrate the participants, 16 of them, that have completed a fiberglass boat repair maintenance certification, and then 118 participants that have completed boat master license and restricted master class 6 certification. Congratulations to all of you. These qualifications are important. I think we've heard why they're important in navigation, but I think there are other benefits that come with it. We understand it's going to open new opportunities for you beyond safety and being secure out in the ocean. From UNDP perspective, these practical skills are about more than the training. It's about strengthening local capabilities, it's about reducing vulnerability, and it's about helping people protect livelihoods and maintain connections with the services and opportunities they depend on. And it's about ensuring that development reaches communities in ways that respond to how people actually live. And I'm extremely proud to also know that this community is also part of another electrification project that the UNDP is also supporting. So thank you very much for working with us on that project as well. We can't do this alone, the government cannot do this alone. The communities, the NGOs, the development partners, they all have to come together to make these projects successful. And what I've also learned yesterday is that communities can learn from one another. There is one thing that one community does and knows better than others, and we want to make sure that there is also this learning that happens between the different communities in Fiji. Through Solesolevaki and Veitaqomaki, the aim is to strengthen connection between local knowledge and national response. And you'll hear more from the Honorable Minister about that, I believe, later. For UNDP, we want to bring lasting development, not just sporadic engagement. We want to see these outcomes last, and we want to make sure that this brings changes in your daily lives. I'm especially encouraged by the participation of women and young people, as young as someone crying back there. And I hope that baby one day also becomes a boat master and keeps the rest of you safe out in the ocean. To the people of Ravi Ravi and the wider Beqa community, Vinaka Bakalevu, Veitaqomaki, and to today's graduates, Vinaka Bakalevu, Taka Wata. I would like to pay special tribute to my own exceptional team who is here in the room. I think you know them really well by now. They come here quite often, and they are the ones making this work possible. And they spend time with you and they learn from you. Thank you for your hospitality, also for hosting my teams. This is Fane, this is Priscilla, this is Rita, and this is Catherine. We also have Christopher, who is very modestly sitting back in there, but he's the one who makes this work from Suva. And thank you very much to all of the partners, and especially I would like to thank the government of the United Kingdom for the generous support to this project.
Nisambula Danaka. Amora Neo Samai Tiko. Benga Nikua. I've been here 4 weeks, and my pronunciations are even worse. Honourable Minister, Deputy Representative UNDP, Taranga Nirua, church leaders, community representatives, graduates. It is a great pleasure to join you here and celebrate the achievements of the people of Banga. Today we recognise a significant number of graduates covering fiberglass boat repair and those that have completed their boatmaster's licence. These are important skills that improve safety at sea, strengthen livelihoods and build resilience within island communities. On behalf of the United Kingdom, I congratulate all graduates and thank everyone who made this training possible, including those families and friends who have supported them through this. The UK is proud to support Fiji's maritime safety and security projects through the UNDP and with the government of Fiji. We are helping to strengthen maritime governance from the national level right through to the communities such as Banga. The programme supports stronger maritime coordination, improved maritime safety and increased resilience against threats such as organised crime, illegal fishing and climate pressures. We are very closely working with the Ministry of Policing and the Minister will definitely talk about his model programme, which is excellent and sounds fascinating, which empowers communities to become active contributors to Fiji's maritime security. Benga's communities play an important role in protecting Fiji's maritime domain and helping maintain a safe and secure ocean environment for future generations. The UK's partnership with Benga goes beyond maritime security. Between February 24 and October 25, the UK provided funding to support the Pacific Blue Foundation's work across the Benga-Yanguka seascape. The programme worked with 10 communities to strengthen climate resilience, conservation and sustainable livelihoods. It helped establish stronger community governance through the Nakatuba Tabua Development Trust. Thank you. It supported women's economic empowerment through business cooperatives and financial literacy training. It's expanded marine protection with more than 2,300 hectares of marine ecosystems brought under community-led protection. Communities established mangrove nurseries and planted thousands of mangroves to strengthen coastal protection and climate resilience. Young people are engaged through sport, leadership activities, and environment stewardship programs. And youths are also trained in reef monitoring and crown and thorn starfish removal to help Benga's unique marine environment. Today's graduates are helping create a safer, stronger, and more resilient Benga. Through your skills and service, you are making real contribution to your communities and to Fiji. The UK values its partnership with Benga, with Fiji, and with all those working to protect our shared ocean. Congratulations again to every graduate. Vanaka Bakalevi.
Nusatio turang en marama. Nusama rau atoa en mauna lele numai buli tio ina. Au ere mo lantinga wale lai mo bosa matanga wa ito mai weni eli buni booi. Wale le sarna saber ni ulante talo mai baviti. That was. Today we gather at this wonderful vanua here in Benga to celebrate a huge achievement for the Vanua. Not only the things that you have learned, but more importantly, setting new ambitions, determination to catapult your life to greater heights. And perhaps the second important thing to of it, in this particular package, is your ability to take responsibility, be vigilant, and serve your community, your home, and of course, Fiji better, and keeping yourself safe and secure, not only for today, but more importantly, for the future. Under the Solesolevaki, Veitaqomaki, Lotu, Vanua, and Matanitu government, which is a very clear intention of government. It's not accidental. This program was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in 2025, if I'm correct, and it's continued to where we are today. I wish to, on your behalf, acknowledge our two colleagues that are here, His Excellency the Deputy High Commissioner, and likewise, our friend all the way from Uzbekistan, who doesn't see the sea but only see the land and the mountains, who are both here. Without them, this day would not have been possible. Through the kind funding of the United Kingdom, the government, and the commitment and the passion of the UNDP to make it work. So if I may invite on behalf, just to give them a recognition and applaud them for what has been achieved so far. Today is the beginning, setting a good base, a right base, a firm base for what we want to be in the years ahead of us. We all have dreams. Government has set plans on the national development plans and what it sees and what we need, and is committed to working towards its achievement. Today I bring greetings from your government from the Honorable Prime Minister Beqa and Vanua, bring greetings and best wishes. We recognize your commitment, and I'm also here to thank you for your commitment, for your contribution in building a better Fiji and a better generation. And this is really the purpose of why we sit here today. To build, progress, sustain, and achieve prosperity for the future. Individually, collectively, as a Vanua, and as a nation. That's really why we are here today. I'm here sitting as a son of Taviuni, a son of a farmer. I need to tell you this story because some of us would see people sitting at high offices and they would think, wow, it was an easy journey for them. Sitting here, as I said, a son of a farmer and a mom that provided for the 10 of us. When Tanu. I was sent over from Taviuni when I was in class 2, just as an 8-year-old, 9-year-old. Year in, year out, from Taviuni to Suva. My 2 Wakararavi with relatives. And I'm sure some of you can relate with my story. You must have also experienced that. Let me tell you, in those days, it used to take 2 weeks from Taviuni to Vitileu. Now it's just an overnight trip. I'm wanting to share this to you so that these young men and women that are graduating to understand that life doesn't come easy. It's a journey that will challenge you, tempt you along the way to go off track. But if you miss the right track and your compass is set on the wrong direction, you will not be able to serve and achieve God's purpose in your life. So fundamentally, we are here to set a journey, set a course, supported by the Vanua, relatives and family, to set a new course for you. As you grow in your life, ultimately, you'll be our leaders, the leaders of the Vanua of Beqa in the years ahead of you. So this particular training, in government's view and intention, is to set the right solid base and platform for you to achieve those noble objectives and purpose. I'm happy to be part of it. I'm happy to be here with you. And without, again, our 2 partners here today, this would not have been possible. So if there's something that I urge of you, government requires of you, or requests of you, is to make use of the opportunity that has been given to you. Make the most of it. The sky is the limit. Come a day, come a time, you will have families, you will have children. But if your base is not right, solid, you'll have great difficulties ahead of you. So the future of the Vanua Beqa will depend on what you'll contribute to shape it into a better future in the years ahead. So that's very briefly what I wanted to share in English. If you allow me, Ratu, Tala, just to speak in our lingo, in Fijian dialect, just to expand some of the thoughts that I have discussed. Leti ko na turang na tiragulay. Leti ko na tuan turang tala-tala, turang di Vanua. Leti ko na turang kina marawa bibi. Ve kemuni sa rawaka. Wakabuli. Ena singa vida saúde. Ena ngauna ko obi ako bibi takta talaga. Dalingani materi tu may rawa kina na buli kina rawaka. MSF, no visa, things FERCA, youth and sports, and that very important school at Nadave. We have stepped forward. Randuri mai na mai Veitaqomaki. O wabi di binalingan ni matentu kere-kere. Wabi biro na tingo di sa may rawa into the social bow and na bunuang kondeka. Veitaqomaki, Solesolevaki, Veitaqomaki, matanitu lotu kena benua. Rutunga na urutanga bimbi ese mati ko na bakakasa mo se ya butungo. Solesolevaki ng tatakataka bata. Kena raw ng dua bata. Kaya raw din Veitaqomaki ng benua. Rawan in tatakatake na matuntu kena lotu. Kena benua, merau kina lebih ka, endakan rewa, endam pula mai kena. Wain jini, ni sa certificate ni di bakin dini. Di sa sulitan ka bikin mo na kilaka. Kilaka, wani rendau ripeta ka na wanga. Di sereka talambenga na dini. Kendua sana, nakedi nakimbimbi metara kina namunimbula. Munimbula kina kemuni, mbula kina namuni matabale, mbula kina navanua. Mazakazakang go se bule go, enonay tabi nga naman tayo, may turabiti kemuni. May turabiti kemuni. Ato koni kemuni. Wakau kota kemuni. Wakau bidi-bidi nakatalabi kemuni, nung nindondo po ni kalau may liu, ni may wiliti ko na sasanga bibiyong ko. So, ulit stale, matay ni tikin ako, muli raw kina nung nimbula. Iway tui, watalakin ay bunua. Mas makasarabat yung mo, nung nitutuban yung mo. E sana não boleh itu kena bo. Na laura itu ni na toso. Seso e baka ando na turi ko to binta may tabeta toka. Ana na monitorang ni manuar to na tiko. Na bilutak. Pero nawawa to para sarabo toka naka mendo na ibakan dinandina ni ka ni sarawata. There's got to be a living evidence. Living evidence. Kambula. Naka ni sarawata. O dia lia kila e na munisi ga ni mataka. Ko keda na taro mimbi o bia taro matumbo. Athawa na irai votu takatu na mbakiro sa mabulu. What is your vision ahead of you in the next 20 years? What do you see? What do you want? What do you expect? Your Congo sa may tikabuki na ito na ihabu pinak. What do you see of the Bono Benga in 20 years' time? Tarubimbia, erunga ng kaunisala, e nanarawatan ng pulanggo. Doanga, life, ng bula, o death, kinarusa. Erunga ng kaunisala. This program is about life. Nembalatan ng limbula, muniraw ka. Sino ni Rusa? Sino ni Rusa? Bula. Beraw na bula, beraw waka lewu sara. Kaya na ulutang ang bibi, kung may sema tiyokin ko na buli. Kung doon sa may watawarat mo. Ang salan di man dapat ko totoo na kinatikin na bibi, it's about the maritime security. Maritime security. Na kinatabamaki. Nang ni matasawa, na way tui, may nabika, Nila sekali binakata matentu, men may bagan rabu taka na namunimbula siya bakarusa nondabula. I'm talking about drugs. I'm talking about other sicknesses. Kaya bosa bek nga bukabiti o santo mga tawa ko jungo na mate hua. Mate hua. Ayan ito bosa may bunwa ilabi na jungo tora tal. Mate hua. As the minister responsible for security, we've talked about it. There have been so many meetings. Workshops. One common acknowledgement, understanding that we have come with Naivalurua ni mate mo sing ren karabotondonga na matenitu Mateivalu seo visa. And on Naivalu wata kere. This is our battle, a unified effort. Tokobata, nonda sa sasanga, Veitaqomaki, nonda benua wakarusai. Na mate buka-buka sa waka-wakana tu. E na levo no dei tiko-tiko. Mai suba, lomani mata bubale, lomani lotu. Na mate bua-bua sa wawa ana. Ti na binimo, muni na yan rava, ni paharusa. Ni veura ka may tumba, e nangaw na niyan rava binakina, na itabi e maro e kina na muni bunu. O ni takay matatachi ko na kautura tiko, mate bua-bua. Drugs, HIV, kere-kere. Mate kere-kere ha. So ngonda siya nilawa, ni nabaray na tiko ni tukutuk na pepa. E so ang baka nakalaw ko na may law. Madaw sa audio, ready sa may winu, may puno levo. Ito ang baka na box sa atin. O rongo ni so baka takas sa solo punongo. Pero talbek nga may ke. Iyan nangaw na, ni sangatikin mo niyang bulo, ni tiko ito eh. Tukun ito man, itukutungo, muniyan rava. Kembale, yan rin dalinga, yan rin mata. May kakuni alumay na mati buka-bukungo, kaya nanumuli bunwa. Naivalungon, Naivaluti Watagira, we have cartels, international cartels, much smarter, big operations. For them, life is nothing. Their business is about making money and making lots of money. And they're quite smart. So you and I need to be smarter than them. This job, we cannot sleep on this job. We cannot. We must try and outfox them. We must try and wrong-foot them. And this exercise talks about it. When you unravel, you do a bata. We take responsibility. The duabata can karua. Then unravel, being vigilant. Then the other word I would like to use is service. You see that as a commitment and obligation. When you unravel, Veitaqomaki namni benua, namni bola, namni mata bubali. Turati rab ni bosot sa nomule buti ko yaw. Nakango undo via bosa taka jo kombuta. E wa para tingtal tungan ng speaking notes. Nangaw nendo wili bol kina ba sige pa bale-bale na kautukuna. I'm speaking with passion now from my heart. No? This issue here has now been assessed as national security. It's been assessed as a national crisis. My message to you today, if we are not awake, Sengandayan Rava, it can be an issue of national survival. Bulakin on the Kawa, Bulakin on the Vunua, and a Singlikua, and a Singamataka. I'm now here to rally you here. Rally. Bukadiba, menda toso eni liu, da valuta na mati bubongo, and the front line. And the front line. Toso may na lotu, toso may na banua, toso may matentu. Kito tikongo, matenitu, we are here at your front line. Ko tautuki na nabosongo at the front line. So you need to be awake, need to be alert. Na lotu, is best equipped to fight this battle in the front line. They've got a passion and a heart of love. Na lotu. So, o le subunga mo tolo, o wabi ni binaka na bikasa may rawa, congratulations, binaka waleu, ne alondo muni kala may leo muni rate. Ni wangata ka binaka na kani sa kilango, muni mbula raka kina kemuni kena ni matabuale, kena kawa, and kena bunua, and the basic mataka. Au sababu ni binasa chuku biki muni, tura na tura birabi, tura talatala. Keretu na muni bito koni, ena matani tu, ena sasanga lebu, mai sanga itu kina go. Non rambula, ena nomi tamata kina lube muni. Rarau ka ni sing ni ko kina sing mataka, baka mimbi na kina maroi. Nomu na bunua, kena kawa, lebe sing ni mataka. Ne daura kita din, na mati buka ni sene bika, ena baka buna, na rusa, ni nomu ni bunua, kasi ni kuning kina nambula. Eu que lá, eu bula mais na buli, sa eu bina katong tunga menta mata ubi kita na buli. Do laban dalinganda kena matanda, da mai rongoda na bosa binaka, pamimbi na bosa di kolo, merau kina bula. O sa kene o tio timo, o sa tatau na tio kerea, masu like nga buka leu nom ni bunua kena nom ni bula. Na ibalungo, sa nasigirao na ibalungo katamata. Kau kone bosa ni kalau, kena gaya bang bauta, tanah rawata kena na ibalungo. Ni tiko saka, ngone tui rabi-rabi, ni tiko na ngone turang tal-talan, ni tiko na turang di benua, ni tiko. Na ngone buli marama kena turang, tama kena tina ni tiko. Arto tiko na nungu itoka, di kata-kata mamata ni tu, ramai beba buli di bol tiko. And I also acknowledge our two very special family friends that are here that have made it possible. Sama boson domo lewu tiko, romo lewu tiko, na nomli tiko. And we come and nga de baleta nambula kasega ni rusa. Di kalungat sa tiko, lewu na kame na rawa, di mbulong palaw sa tiko na turang pira rabi. Sa utuchi na nomli bonua. Maro kenda bat tiko na kalo ni sigan ni kuwa, kenda vi sigan mataka, binasa waliw.